No, no. Yeah, it is. No. You're gonna breathe the rotten turd. No. Let's go. Yes. Where is it? You know where it is. Where's it at? Okay. Yes. Hurry, training. Get in there. Pee in here? No, we can't pee in here, dude. Why? Because this is where we're gonna be hunting. Let's go out here and pee. How do we hunt? Hurry up, it's raining. What's good about it? Dad, it's so pretty. What is it? Oh. Yeah, it's a hole of water. That's what I peed out. You peed in it? Yeah. I told you. Let's get down to the buggy and go check the next spot. No, I want to check out this right here. So much water.